Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. We are passing a very crucial time for the affection of COVID-19 virus. For this reason, we cannot go our college and we provide video class for you. Today, I will discuss about statistics, mathematical problem of statistics, exercise 17. I am Amjad Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Okay student, firstly you have to know some definitions from these chapters. These are very important. Okay, let's start. Discrete variable. There are two types of variable, discrete and indiscrete variable. The variable whose values are only integer is called discrete variable. For example, population. Number of population of a country must be an integer. So this is the example of discrete variable. We can also write number of student. This is also example of discrete variable. Okay, now indiscrete variable. Indiscrete variable. The variable whose values are any real number is called indiscrete variable. For example, height, weight. Height, weight, these are the example of indiscrete variable. Now, central tendency. Central tendency is the tendency of a data clustered around to a central value is called central tendency. There are three measures of central tendency. These are mean, mode and median. And these are our today's topics: mean, mode, median. Three central tendencies. These are our today's topics. Okay students, now I discuss the basic formula of mean, mode and median. Then I will solve this mathematical problem. Here we will discuss mean in shortcut method. Mean is equal A plus summation fi ui divided by n into h, where A for approximate mean, fi for frequency, ui step deviation, this is xi minus a divided by h, n total frequency, h class difference. These are the meanings of the variables of mean in shortcut methods. Okay, number 2, median. This is called L plus n by 2 minus fc into h divided by fm, where L equal lower limit of median class. Fc equal F for frequency, C for cumulative. Cumulative frequency of previous of median class. Median class. Fm, where F for frequency, M for median, frequency of median class, of median class. Okay students, now I discuss formula of mode. Number 3, mode. This is called L plus f1 into h divided by f1 plus f2, where L is the lower limit of mode class. Here L is lower limit of median class. In median, for mode, L is the lower limit of mode class. So here I explain f1. This is called frequency of mode class minus frequency of previous class. Frequency of mode class minus frequency of previous of mode class. F2, this equal frequency of mode class minus frequency of next class of mode class. These are the 3 basic formula of this class. Now I discuss this maths. This is a classified data. You know there are 2 types of data. One is classified, another is non-classified. When frequency is given, then this data is called classified data. Here frequencies are 3, 5, 7, 9, 4, and then 8, 2. Okay student, now I solve this question number A. Question number A, for finding mode, this table is enough. We need not to draw mode table. Using this table we can find the mode of this data. Here highest frequency exists in 61 to 70 in this class, so here I note that AL equal 61 because 9 is the highest frequency, so this class is mode class. Lower limit of mode class is 61, and F1 this equal frequency of mode class minus previous class, 9 minus 7 this equal 2. F2 this equal frequency of mode class minus next class, this equal 5, and H this is class difference 31 to 40. There are 10 numbers, so H equal to 10. Putting this, we have L equal 61 plus F1 equal to 2 into 10 divided by 2 plus 5. This equal 61 plus 20 divided by 7. This equal okay students, after calculating this equal 61 plus 2.85, this equal 63.85. This is the mode of the given data. Okay, now we have to find median of the given data. For median we have to draw another column from this table. Okay, now I erase this. Number B, class then frequency and then cumulative frequency. Class are given 31 to 40 and then 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90. Okay, and frequency this is also given 3, 5, 7, 9, 4, 2. Here cumulative frequency of first class and frequency of first class are same. This is 3, and then we can write this by adding 3 and 5. This equal 8, and 8 and 7 adding we got 15. 15 plus 9 this is 24, and 24 plus 4 this is 28, and finally we got 30. Firstly we have to find out the median class. Here n divided by 2 this equal n means total frequency, 30 divided by 2 this equal 15. We find 15 number data which is median. So we find this data in cumulative frequency. Here in this class 51 to 60, this number exists, which exist in class 61 to 70. So this is the median class. So median class is 61 to 70. Okay, now median equal L plus n divided by 2 minus Fc into h divided by Fm. So lower limit here, this is 61 to 15 exists in class. I again repeat, this is 51 to 60. This is 51 to 60. Here sometimes mode class and median class are same, but in this maths, by calculating n divided by 2, that means mid value which is 15, which exists in this class 51 to 60. So here median class is 51 to 60. Okay, now L equal 51 plus n divided by 2, this equal 15 minus Fc. Fc is the cumulative frequency of previous of median class. Here this is median class, this is median class cumulative frequency, this is 8 previous classes cumulative frequency, this is 8, and h is the class difference, this is 10. Fm, frequency of Fm, this is Fm, this is Fc, this is 7. This equal 51 plus 15 minus 8, this is 7 into 10 divided by 7. By calculating this, finally we got 61. This is the median of the given data. Okay students, now I will solve mean in shortcut method. I erase this. For mean, we have to draw a table with 5 column. Question number is C. Class and frequency, class mid value, step deviation, here frequency is Fi, class mid value is Xi, step deviation this is Ui, and here Fi into Ui. Okay, class this is given 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90. Here the frequencies are given, these are 3, 5, 7, 9, 4 and 2. Class mid value, average of this number 31 and 40, average of this number is the class mid value. Adding 31 plus 40 and dividing by 2, we got 35.5, and adding 10 with this, where we are 10, because 10 is the class difference, so we got 45.5, and this is 55.5, 65.5, 75.5 and 85.5. Step deviation. In the first portion of this lecture, I was discussed step deviation Ey equal xi minus a divided by h. Xi minus a divided by h. Here I want to find out the step deviation of first class u1. Here xi, this is class mean below 35.5. A is the approximate mean. This is mid below of highest frequency class. Here highest frequency is 9 and mid below of this class, this is 65.5. This is A, approximate mean, minus 65.5, H equal 10. Calculating this, got minus 3. Similarly, we can find out step deviation of all classes. Here this is minus 2. Now in solving maths, we use a shortcut method, which is in the highest frequency class step deviation, this is always 0, and this class is minus 1, this class is minus 2, and this is 1, and this is 2, and so on. You can find out this by using this formula, but it takes more time. To save time, we use this shortcut method. Okay. Now fi uy 3 minus 9 minus 10 minus 7 0 4 into 2 4 into 1 4 2 into 2 4. Total frequency n equal 30, and here summation fi uy. Calculating this, we got minus 18. Now mean in shortcut method, x bar, this is the mean, this means mean. This equal a plus summation fi uy divided by n into h. This equal, here a equal 65.5 plus fi uy minus 18 divided by n equal 30 into h equal 10. This equal 65.5 minus 6. This equal 59.5. This is the mean of the given data. Students, wish today's lecture is clear to you. It will more clear if you practice from your books. Thank you.